Hi, I'm Gary Elm, and today we're reviewing the Vision Engineering EVO Cam II system. This is our EVO Cam II. It is a digital inspection system using a 30:1 zoom. It's a full HD system running at 60 frames a second. The setup that we're looking at now is using a 0.62 objective, giving a working distance in excess of 5 inches and a field of view that is over 6 inches at minimum magnification with a top end magnification in a optical range of over 100 times magnification. We can adjust the magnification through the controls right on the camera head itself. Fully auto-focusing. And that top end magnification is still within the optical range. If we alter the firmware in the camera, we can go through a digital zoom, which will even give you higher magnification capability. The system does have a number of objective lenses available. The 0.62, which we're looking at here, is the bread and butter lens for most people. It gives the most usable magnification range and great working distance. We do have higher end objectives to achieve magnification in the more than 100 time range, and we have lower magnification objectives to give greater working distances in excess of 10 inches with this system and field of views that are over 11 inches. The EVO Cam II is a great inspection tool that can be used as an alternative to microscopes in many applications. Its high resolution image and fast refresh rate gives the operator a great view that's easy to work with. Great depth of field keeps the part in focus, and it's real time when he's looking at it. There is no image lag. From medical plastic parts to circuit boards, the EVO Cam gives you a great way to look for defects and other manufacturing problems. The EVO Cam II is a great alternative to a stereo microscope for many inspection tasks. It is not a direct replacement. In some instances, stereo is the only way to go, but for many other choices, the EVO Cam II shines. It offers greater field of views, greater magnification range, helped by our 30:1 zoom, greater working distance, 5 inches of working distance with a range of 4 times magnification to 105, auto-focusing, auto-exposure, instant image capture, and these are areas where the EVO Cam II shines.